Hello, teachers, and welcome back. It's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for December 2021. Slide 2. Greetings. Ask. 1. What is your name? 2. How do you spell your name? 3. What is your family name? 4. How old are you? They should answer it like this. I am something years old. 5. What junior high school do you go to? 6. What year of junior high are you in? 7. Where do you live? 8. How many people are in your family? 9. Where are you from? Slide 3. True or false? True or false for December? There are 31 days in December. How do you say equals nantu? Christmas Day is on December 24th. 144 divided by 12 is 13. To say divided by in Japanese is warizan. Santa Claus has 8 reindeer. The answer is 9, including Rudolph. In 2022, it will be the year of the tiger. You are in the first grade, second grade, third grade. Your favorite color is blue. You eat udon every day. The sun is green. Japan is an island. Slide 4. More questions. 1. Do you have a Christmas tree? They should answer it like this. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. 2. Do you decorate your Christmas tree? To say decorate in Japanese is kazaru. 3. Do you have any plans for your winter holidays? 4. Will you play in the snow? They should answer it like this. Yes, I will. Or no, I will not. 5. When is the last day of school? 6. What year will it be in January? They should answer it like this. It will be 2022. 7. What animal year will it be? They should answer it like this. It will be the tiger. Slide 5. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Ask. What day is it today? They should answer it like this. Today is, or it is. What day was it yesterday? They can answer it like this. Yesterday was, or it was. What day will it be tomorrow? They can answer it like this. Tomorrow will be, or it will be. Slide 6. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. When is your birthday? Slide 7. What is the date today? Your students should answer it like this. It's December 24th. Slide 8. The 4 seasons. Ask, how many seasons are there? They should answer it like this. There are 4 seasons. Then ask, what season is it? They should say, it's winter. Slide 9. The weather. Ask, how is the weather today? They should answer it like this. It's sunny. Or it's cloudy and rainy. Then you can ask, is it snowy? They should answer it like this. Yes, it is. Or no, it is not. Slide 10. The main theme for this month. How do you say something in English? To say that in Japanese is これは英語でなんていう? Ask, how do you say 乾杯 in English? Cheers. Or it's cheers. How do you say 永遠に in English? Forever. How do you say とりあえず in English? for now, or anyway. You can also use flashcards with familiar objects such as soap, rock, etc. Slide 10, the main theme for this month. How do you say something in English? To say that in Japanese is これは英語でなんていう? Ask, how do you say 乾杯 in English? Cheers. Or it's cheers. How do you say 永遠に in English? Forever. How do you say とりあえず in English? For now, or anyway. You can also use flashcards with familiar objects such as soap, rock, etc. Slide 11. Comprehension. 理解. Get your students to read, or you can get them to repeat after you. Santa Claus is coming to town. He lives in the North Pole. Santa Claus wears a red hat, a red suit, a black belt, and black boots. He has 9 reindeer. Santa comes on Christmas Eve, December 24th. Then you can make up some questions such as, where does Santa live? Or, how many reindeer does Santa have? What color are his boots? What color is his belt? What color is his suit? The comprehension questions help you to decide whether the student understands or not. Slide 12. Action words. Verbs. Take away. Ask. Break. Hide. Fall. Cover. Leave. Pay. Celebrate. Get your students to repeat after you. Then get them to pantomime. Test your students at the end of the month by calling out a random action word. Slide 13. Christmas picture words. Go over the different picture words. Get your students to repeat after you. Presents or gifts. Santa Claus. They'll say Santa-san. No. Tell them it's Santa Claus in English. Toys, ribbon, or bow. Reindeer, that is tonakai in Japanese. Snowman is yukidaruma. Stocking, candy cane. They know the word candy. Cane in Japanese is tsue. Sleigh, that is sori. Christmas tree, Christmas lights, bell, elf. Elf is kobito. For testing your students, mix up the words and pictures. Get your students to match the word with the correct picture. Slide 14. I have one more true or false about Christmas. If you have time and want to do this, then go ahead. 1. Santa Claus's boots are red. Here in Japan, they think his boots are red. Tell your students that they're actually black. 2. Santa Claus laughs hee hee hee. False. It's ho ho ho. 3. Christmas Eve is on December 24th. True. 4. Christmas Day is on October 25th. False. 5. Santa Claus has 8 reindeer. Here in Japan, most kids think he has 1 or 2, not 8. Tell him that it's false. He has 9, including Rudolph. 6. Santa Claus lives in Norway. False. He lives in the North Pole. Okay? 7. Santa Claus is coming to city. False. It's town. Okay? Santa Claus is coming to town. Slide 15 is a link to play online hangman. Here you have different categories suitable for the junior high. And that is it for this lesson plan. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and Merry Christmas to all, and have a happy and safe New Year.